Welcome back to Real Steel. It's been a little while, I know, been on hiatus, got a little squirreled away on some projects, and it's been busier than hell with work. So here we are, figured we're day before a tractor show and I'd do a quick video on hand starting our John Deere D. So this here came to our collection probably 2-3 months ago. It's a 1946 John Deere D, style D hand start. Nice and fun to get going. This is 500 cubic inches of 2-cylinder gas-powered Fury. All right, we're gonna go through a couple of quick ones. You'll notice there's a couple D's in the background. One of them belongs to a friend of mine. The other one is my DI. It is the only one I know of right now. I'm sure I'm gonna get some hate for this, but it's a D Industrial, but it's a styled D Industrial. As far as I know, there were 3 ever built, and there are 2 still left in existence. One of them sitting right there. It has all the original brass tags and the original orange paint underneath, and confirmed by Mother Deere that it was in fact an industrial. So figured you got to have one of each. This one's currently running. We'll do more on that deep dive once we get into it. But for today, we're getting ready to go to the Vista Anti-Gas and Steam Engine Museum for their annual fall show, and we're going to bring the D because we haven't ever taken it to a show before. So we're going to go through a quick run through on how we're going to do this, and we'll see if she bites me. All right, we're going to open the petcocks. That is going to relieve compression. Close the choke. Make sure she's in neutral. Little bit of throttle. Fuel shutoff's a little hokey. You need to fix that. But literally all I've done is put a fuel bowl on this thing. It does pretty good. Oh, now I say that, it's going to fight me. Also, quick tool shout out, the 4-inch Cobra Knipex. Yes, I'm not sponsored by them. No, I don't make any money off this. But I do carry a set of these with me everywhere I go. The 4-inch set of Cobra Knipex. Actually, 5-inch, I don't know, something like that. 4 or 5-inch, but the smallest ones they make, best around. All right, so we got choke on, compression's open, we're at throttle. So we're going to roll it straight. Now it's going to fight me because it's... out of gas. Rule number 1, ladies and gentlemen, make sure it's got gas. So this is on our tilt deck trailer, and I run a chain and a binder at each corner in the front, and then in the rear, because we're going close, technically I need one more, but this will be good enough to get down the road. Tractor's only about 7,000 pounds, so not terribly heavy, but always use chains and binders. Don't ever use straps. It's just seen too many accidents that way. So you'll notice we use good branded binders, Peerless chain, Peerless binders. I don't like to chance it when it comes to that stuff. Anyhow, there she is, folks, all loaded up. All right, so here we are, all loaded up, ready for the morning. We're at the compound. Sun's going down, weather's beautiful, 75 degrees, light breeze. Man, this is where I don't mind dealing with Southern California. Anyhow, it's ready to go to the tractor show. I'm ready to go to the tractor show. Let's go have some fun this weekend. Let's take some good content, and you guys be along for the ride.